You pay the fees after your visa comes. Hello all, good afternoon. This is Deena Kataria here from MIBD College Dubai. It's a Mount Institute of Business and Development. We are a Swiss education in the heart of Dubai. We are offering diploma programs right now. So we are based out in South Dubai, and the program what we offer right now is level 3, level 4 and level 5. These diplomas are of QEL and KHD accredited. So it has a dual accreditations. Level 3, any student who has done 10th standard in India and would like to go and study abroad can start with us with level 3. So they save their 1 year, and level 3 is equivalent to 12th standard of India. After that, student has an option to study level 4 with us, which is equivalent to the first year of bachelor's degree. Level 5 is equivalent to second year of bachelor's entry. Each year they gain 120 credit points through us. So in 2 years, you'll be gaining 240 credit points, and then student has an option to seamlessly take a transfer to their final year bachelor's in UAE itself to the different universities, or they can move to the dream country they wish to, like USA, UK, Australia. So it's a final year entry through us. We do support you to get the transfer done. Our lectures are only 2 days a week, 3 hours. So we do give you NOC to work full time while you study. So when student comes to MIBD, they'll be working full time and studying part time with us, like only 3 days or 2 days a week. Plus, it's a full time program. We do not have any exam pattern. Students will be attending the lectures and submitting the submission assignments. So they get marks on the basis of the assignments. We do not need IELTS. We do not need MOI. We do not need any LOR, SOP, nothing. The process is very simple, and it's a 100% visa to Dubai. Dubai is a country with smart entry, and it's a pathway country to your dream destination. So any student who are with less funds or who has a gap in education, cannot afford 30-35 lakhs fees, they can start with MIBD 2 years. Our fees are very nominal. It's only 5,000 USD after scholarship. So it's a 4.5 lakhs Indian rupee. And the best thing about MIBD is you pay the fees after your visa comes. We do have intake every month, so you do not need to wait for intake wise also. Every 14th you can join us. So it's an easy process, 100% visa. And also we do support student to find the job. We do give recommendations to find the job. So if you know, in UAE, the student gets job through references, and MIBD supports us to their students to get the job. So yes, we do offer multiple courses. We have various faculties, hospitality and tourism. We have IT. We have project management, logistic and supply chain management. So healthcare, education and training. So we have various courses. Apart from this, any student from the age of 17 till 50 can go to our diploma programs. These are not a normal diploma. These are international diplomas, as it is OFCAL, UK and KHD approved. We do support students to bring their spouse with them. So we will be giving spouse also 2-year work visa when student wants to come to us. And all this funding, entire process, like, the total cost to come with your spouse, if you're looking anything budget less than 10 lakhs, then MIBD Dubai can be a good option. So we are a partner with Hooray, a consultancy based out in Hyderabad. So please connect with them, feel free to talk to them, and look forward to see you all on our campus. Thank you.
Hooray, your one-stop study abroad partner. Call us at 9900621169.